Hi everyone, I'm back. You can't get rid of me that easily. I thought I'd take some time to discuss a skill set that I've picked up over my time in engineering that is invaluable to me. It's something that I use almost every time I decide to do anything in terms of projects I make and stuff I do. And that is the skill set of prototyping. The idea to make a mock version of something that you want to make or something that you want to build, so it's enabling you to figure out what other issues you might have with it, or maybe pick up on some design that you might not have realized was better. So I thought I'd show you some of my prototypes that I've made for a course. So originally it was this bag right here, this massive bag of just parts that we kind of went through, and we built these two prototypes. It's for a autonomous maze solving mouse. So these are mice and they solve mazes by themselves. So originally we made this red one, which had smaller wheels, it's a bit taller, and then this would sit on top of this and it would kind of look around. But then we realized that this really wasn't working, it wasn't as fast as we wanted to, and it couldn't turn as nicely. So then we made it smaller, we made it out of plastic, and then we added some bigger wheels. And when we did that, we realized with the height, it's able to spin a lot faster, it's able to go through the corners a lot faster, and we found out a lot more that we would not have known if we didn't design the prototypes. And as a little treat, I'm going to quickly show you the video of the actual mouse solving the maze and how quickly it was able to do it. So yeah, prototype.